I'm Jarvis with Wayner Global, and we're going to go over some troubleshooting on your 10.7 Everchill refrigerator. If your freezer compartment is getting cold, but your refrigerator compartment is not, the most likely issue is your freezer fan is not working. So we're going to remove our glass shelf, and we're going to remove the freezer fan. There's two screws that hold this freezer fan in place. There's two covers that you just need to pop off. Grab your Phillips screwdriver or your Phillips driver with your drill and remove the two screws. The freezer fan assembly, it pivots forward, and then you can reach back and disconnect your 3-pin connector and pull your fan out. Now you can check your fan outside of the refrigerator by applying power and ground to the red and black wires. Do not reverse polarity or you will fry the chip in the fan. You can also check your connection back here to make sure that you have a good 12 volt and good ground. Now that we've checked it and we know that our fan was bad, now to replace it, you're just gonna put it back in here, reach back and reconnect your 3-pin connector, and pivot your fan back up into place and reinstall the screws. Then reinstall your screw covers. Now we've diagnosed that our freezer fan assembly was bad and we replaced it. Now we can check operation by turning it back on, opening the refrigerator, use your finger and close the door switch, and you should be able to feel the fan blowing cold air at this time.